Okay, so let's see if you can go all the way down, and if you need help getting back up, I'll help you back up, but kneeling on that pad.
Can I go? I need to get my foot down.
Do whatever you need to do. Perfect. Now you said you have not been kneeling at church?
Right.
Okay. What does this feel like?
Because we'd start to get cramping.
Sure.
Here.
Sure.
It's pulling a little bit over here.
It's a big stretch.
Yeah.
Now let's see if you can go back to standing. Use your arms, use your toes. Kick that pad back in. And so this time I want you to go down, but don't stay down. Just go down and back up.
All the way.
If you can.
Next week you want to do the same times, you can toss it. I'll
Yeah.
get it wherever.
Perfect.
I'll get it for you. Yeah, Monday, Wednesday.
That's
Leaning
it.
on my arms. Is that
It's okay. Use as much assistance as you need. Like anything, as you get stronger, you'll use the arms less.
We might get things back together when I have a get together
Okay.
with social distancing. My wife's in the
Take a
nurse,
break.
So